Adrenaline alerted Dock World. Step aboard Mecalodon, the Gerstlauer Airtime coaster at Walibi Belgium. Featuring 3 LSM launches and 14 Airtime hills. Get ready for the ride. Dive into true 3D and full VR immersion. Move your smartphone or tablet to look around. For the ultimate 3D effect, use a VR headset. Mecalodon in 3D. Welcome to Dock World. This industrial port area is home to the Mecalodon. The striking lighthouse stands on the outer edge of the dock, heralding the prototype being tested here. The Mecalodon is a giant mechanical diving robot that has gone out of control. Fun fact, the ride utilizes the footprint of the former Gold River Adventure flume ride. You can see how it follows the old canal route, with track sections running low right near the water. Developed by Gerstlauer as their Airtime coaster model, this ride is built to deliver maximum weightlessness. The train consists of 5 cars and holds 20 riders per cycle. It is also recognized as the longest family coaster in the Benelux region. This Gerstlauer coaster hits 65 kilometers per hour, which is 40 miles per hour, across 925 meters. That's 3,035 feet, via 3 launches. And all that with a maximum height of just 15 meters, 49 feet. Mecalodon is smooth, fast, and packed with airtime. We are in the front row. Thanks to the lap bars, your freedom of movement is maximized for the 14 moments of airtime. The mechanical shark is ready for launch. Focus. The first kick from the LSM launches is coming. This magnetic force will catapult us over the hills, giving you that feeling of weightlessness again and again. What an incredible airtime rush. The Mecalodon is a prime example of how intelligent track design and multiple launches create an incredibly intense experience. A real highlight of Walibi Belgium. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos.